On another front, a new player is revving into the Philippines' transport sector, and it's coming straight from Vietnam. Backed by aggressive expansion plans and promises of lower costs, this entry could shake up the local bus and truck market and challenge incumbents in the push for modernization. Jin Kim has the details.
Vietnam is moving quickly to capitalize on the PBBM administration's push to modernize the Philippine transport system. In line with the government's infrastructure agenda, Vietnam's leading commercial vehicle manufacturer, Taco Auto, is now entering the local market through a new distribution partnership for buses and trucks.
We hope to make active contributions to building a safe and modern public transportation system in your country.
Deliveries of 8.5 to 12-meter city and provincial buses are expected to begin in 2026, customized to the needs of local operators. Expected to range from 3 to 4.5 million pesos. And thanks to the Vietnam-Philippines Free Trade Agreement, there's no need for local assembly. The units will arrive fully built.
In terms of investment, they will, again, because of the free trade agreement between the Philippines and Vietnam, there is no need to actually bring the units in completely knocked down, so we can bring them in as completely built already.
At the moment, EVs are not on the table for this Vietnam-Philippine partnership, but even with interest in electric buses and trucks, the industry stakeholders warn that the Philippines lacks the basic infrastructure to support a full shift to EVs.
Because without the infrastructure, I think it is quite difficult for the operators to shift to electric, even as much as they want to. Building the charging stations and all of these things takes a lot of investment. For commercial vehicles, that's very difficult. Their battery capacity is much larger. Therefore, they would need a much bigger charging station.
In the meantime, light and medium-duty trucks are still expected to dominate the market.
The market right now is still fairly slow. On the truck side, if we're talking about the logistics side, meaning the smaller trucks, those are moving, okay? But if we talk about the bigger trucks, those are a little bit still on the slow side.
Following the launch, BJ Mercantile is calling on the government to establish stronger, clearer policies to help move the industry forward.
The political policies still have to be a little bit firmer, I would say. Implementation of certain policies have to be firm. So I think that's probably what will drive confidence also with our business people.
Meanwhile, the company confirms the bus sector is finally recovering from the pandemic, with operators increasing their fleet modernization programs. Jin Kim, Billionaire News Channel.